Hey there, welcome back to Digital Dollars, the place where we break down online money-making strategies and turn beginners into experts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing and showing you how to master it from scratch. Whether you're new to making money online or looking to diversify your income streams, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. As you can see in this diagram, it starts with you, the affiliate marketer, promoting a product or service to your audience. When someone from your audience clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or performs a specific action, you earn a commission. It's a win-win for both you and the company you're promoting. Now, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is finding the right affiliate programs to join. Begin by researching in your niche or industry. Look for products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. You can find affiliate programs on websites like ClickBank, ShareASale, Amazon Associates, and many others. Once you've chosen your affiliate programs, it's time to build and engage your audience. After all, you'll need people to click on your affiliate links. You can do this through various channels like a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email marketing. Consistently create valuable content related to your niche to attract and retain your audience's attention. Now, let's talk about creating content that converts. Your content should be informative, honest, and helpful. Focus on addressing your audience's pain points and showing how the affiliate product or service can solve their problems. Be transparent about your affiliate partnerships. Tracking your results is crucial to your success in affiliate marketing. Use tracking tools provided by affiliate programs or third-party software to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze what's working and what's not. Then optimize your strategies accordingly. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some legal and ethical considerations in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. It's not only a legal requirement, but also builds trust. Your viewers should know Bawida Diario,